Yo, 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 what is up, my peoples? JV with the Oasis Trading Club, back at it again. All right, so we're gonna go over a couple things on this one. First off, you already know, I'm pretty sure y'all have heard AMC, GameStop, everything that's going on with this craziness. So I'm not gonna get into exactly like how all that happened. Y'all could research that. I'm just here to break down the charts and let you know what I believe is coming. Okay. But before we get started, I want to pull out full disclosure. We are not financial advisors. We are just your average retail traders. Average forex traders here at Oasis Trading Club. It's my boy Robert, and we're right here just putting in some work for you guys, man, so y'all can see what's popping in this market, so y'all don't freaking miss out on these crazy moves on what's going on. And yeah, so trade it under your own discretion. Don't do anything too crazy, and don't invest money that you are not able to lose. All right. With that being said, let's get it. AMC Entertainment is one that I'm gonna go over, but first I want to just go over GameStop. I want to pull out the chart. So a lot of people have heard of like, okay, what, but they don't even really even know. I want to show you what the heck just happened this week that we as retail investors, as the little guy, as some people would say, we have made history and beat the hedge funds for the first time ever. Okay, that's freaking amazing. So whenever you put everybody together and we all put in our 2 cents, we're able to fucking beat the hedge fund guys. That's big. That's huge. All right. But with that being said, look at this weekly chart. Okay. So ever since the life of GameStop here on this chart on the New York Stock Exchange around April 2002, we started around $7 or so, right? We've been ranging as low as like I want to say like $6 or something like that, $2 to $6, something like that. We'll zoom in right now, but in that range, the highest it had been around was around $50, $55. The lowest it had been was probably like around $2, right? So it went up to 500, almost $477. That's how high it went up, guys. So that's one weekly candle. That is insane. Insane, guys. So if you would have had bought right here at $10, and you would have bought $100 of this GameStop share for $10 a pop, you would have owned 10 shares. If each one of your share went up to $450, let's say, that's 450 times 10, 4,500 that you would have made with your $100 investment. Is that math correct, Robert?
Yeah.
That math is fucking on point. That is crazy, guys. With $100, 4,500 for every hundred you would have invested in there. 4,500. If you would have invested 1,000, how much is that? Times 10, 45,000. That is in a week with $1,000, guys, in a week. So I know a lot of people are real happy with that. What is happening next, though? Did we already miss the wave? Did we already miss what has never been done before? Or are we just at the beginning of something new? Are we just at the beginning of something that is the new normal, as a lot of people would say? Are we there about to freaking change the markets? I think we might be. We really might freaking be. And let me explain myself. Now that we have figured out that all together we can beat the hedge funds, whenever they're shorting these companies, we can come together and beat the squeeze here, guys. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna go and zoom in. Man, you can't even see. That's ridiculous. Can't even see that shit. All right, but if we were able to zoom in all the way down here, you'll be able to see that the market was going lower and lower, and then it broke out. Let me see if I could zoom it in. If not, I'll just go on to AMC and show you there. Let me. There we go. There we go. It's coming to life. It's coming to life. Okay, so look at man. Look at all those flags just rising. All right. So first, first one, right? Like around here. Let's say first break. Bam. And it started messing around. Lower lows. Lower lows. Second break, right? Bam. Started making them higher highs. Started messing around again. Break. Messing around again. Break. Messing around again. Break. Just flagging bullish, bullish until it did that crazy move, right? So what I'm getting to is AMC, I believe is it has the potential to do the same exact thing. And we have just broken out of that trend, all right? So let me start at the beginning for AMC. AMC has been at its highest price of around what, $35? You know, that's the highest it has been, right? The lowest it has been around $2.50 or so. This weekly downtrend was broken. Boom. Supposedly by the retail traders. If not, it should have just kept going down to zero. They were going to bankrupt AMC. They were trying to bring them down. But I guess you could say we kind of rescued them, right? Nah, a lot of people see it differently. That's just my point of view. Boom. As we break out of that, what's happening now? Now, right now, as we speak, the hedge funds, I think, are fucking scared about the opening candle on Monday. Because that opening candle, as the weekend goes, orders are being filled as buys. People are buying and buying these shares. And when this market opens, I think it's going to show us something similar to what silver has done at its open, which it opened up about 1,000 pips in a gap. That is insane from all the silver that was bought over the weekend, from all of this hype and everything that's going on with Wall Street bets and all this stuff, right? So if AMC manages to hold and even open somewhere up here, it'll just retouch. And Monday, these people's orders, the hedge funds orders, they end. So they have to pay their losses. As they pay their losses, it's gonna keep rising. It's gonna keep rising, guys. I think we're easily gonna hit around $40, $35 to $40. There's some speculation talking about if we do the same that GameStop did, the squeeze on this one will take it to around $150 to $200. So if we manage to do something insane like what we have just seen on this other pair, GameStop, we will do something crazy, possibly like this, right? 100 to around $150, and then just tank all the way back down. So guys, make sure that you have an exit plan. Us right here at Oasis, we have our own strategies to exit. On GameStop, we're able to see the GameStop exit right on freaking point. So man, I don't want to throw out too much sauce. So I'm not gonna tell you how the exit strategy is, because at the same time, you know, always keep some value, you know, in close. But we are sharing what we are doing, and just know that the exit value that we will be looking at will be from 80 to 150. 200, I don't know. To me, it's a little out there. I'm really going from 80 to 150 on a high squeeze speculation. But some profits would be very nice at 35 to 40, just taking it and doubling the money, because from there it could definitely come plummeting back down. But we'll see. They say that from what I was reading here from some people on Reddit that are way smarter than me at reading up on these fundamentals. I'm a technical guy, you know, fundamentals are cool, but I'm a technical guy, and them explaining these fundamentals, it helps a lot. So they're talking about that on Thursday, their last orders end as far as the hedge funds go. So if we hold it till Thursday, we should catch the maximum squeeze out of it. Whatever price it's at, I'm getting out Thursday afternoon. So that is just me personally. Like I said, do not invest money you are not able to lose. This thing could go down to zero. We don't know. Um, but if you invest 50, you lose 50. Like you're not gonna go lower than whatever you invest. But if we go our way, you can make some bank. For every 300, you can make 4,000 if we hit $150. Just to put it into perspective. All right. So with that being said, that's AMC. That is GameStop. Freaking amazing what is going on. But I'm gonna pass it over to my boy Robert, and he's gonna go over some of these crypto. Oh, which one are you gonna go over? US 30 or? Let me. I'm gonna stop sharing. Let me do this. Yeah, he's gonna go over US 30 and Ethereum, so y'all can check that out. All right. I think I changed it or try to share. But
Yo, what's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a good start to their week. Last week it was pretty crazy. We had really stupid gains. We saw a lot of gains from the stocks, something we've never seen before. We've never been familiar with. Shout out to all the guys who've been keeping us up to date. And based on what my boy Jay said, I'm with them 100%. These guys know their fundamentals, and so we can profit a lot with them because there's a lot of money that's up there and that we can take profit from.
your mic is on, right?
I think so. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, it's on. It's just my thing.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the US 30. Um, we're gonna start at the daily chart. As you can see right here, the 3,000 level. At one point, it was resistance, and then it became support, and it was able to hit the 31, which it'll put you at about 10,000 pips for US 30. As we can see, we're back down again to this 30-cent level. But based on US 30, it does follow. It goes on the contrary of the dollar, if I'm not mistaken.
Iffy with it.
Sometimes, we can use it to correlate it with the dollar, or we can just go based off of the analysis that we have here. But as we can see, we came to a very significant level. And we're seeing a reaction from buyers at the moment. Um, so what I am seeing is we could end up buying this, and we can take it all the way to about 30.50. Which will put us at about 500 pips.
5,000.
Is it 5,000? Oh, it's 500.
Trust me.
It says on there 500.
Yeah, but that's how it's calculated. But yeah,
So it is 5,000?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So, sorry, my math isn't really good on the US 30. But based on this move right here, we can write it all the way to about 30.50, which will put us at about 5,000 pips. So right now, I'm not in this trade. We're not in this trade personally. I haven't called it on the group chat. but you know, I am expecting a reaction like this to the downside, so we can get in for a good entry and then ride it all the way up to our first target, which would be the 3050. And that should put us at about 5,000 plus 100 pips. It'll be about 5,200 pips. So you know, just keep a lookout for the buy limit on US 30. And I'm gonna go ahead and go to Ethereum. We did call the buy on Ethereum. You know, so I'm gonna go to the daily right quick. We did have this strong move to the upside, and then after that, we pretty much went into a consolidation area. As you can see right now, buyers are putting a lot of pressure on the 1400, and at the same time, they're able to continue to make higher lows. And you know, since this is considered a flag pattern, we simply just move this up here, which would put Ethereum at about $20,000 a share. So you know, I do see that happening because you know, like I said, we have this impulsive move here. We went into consolidation, and I think we're going to go into the second phase of that bullish move. So you know, that buy is long term. We could take profit once it hits the 14, because you know it could stay there again, and then it'll be very time consuming until it's mined up, and then you know it'll continue its bullish move to about 20K. But you know that'll be your first take profit at 14, and then from there we just continue riding it all the way up because I do expect a strong bullish move from Ethereum. Like you know these DeFi coins, they're gonna help it out a lot. If anything, you know we are seeing that, or they are saying that Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin. And if we look at Ethereum BTC real quick, we broke around this level right here, which is monthly resistance, along with an engulfment. And based on the monthly chart, this could be the beginning to a bullish trend, which goes to what I said earlier, that Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin. And then if we go to the weekly chart, you know, we're seeing that retest right here, along with the correlation that Ethereum is going up. So yeah, so Ethereum, we're gonna buy it all the way up, guys. And you don't have to necessarily leverage trade it on MT4. You can always you can always leverage it on Qcoin. You can always buy Ethereum itself. You know, but we're also going to look into the DeFi coins. Make sure y'all stay plugged into what my boy RJ posts. You know, he's a plug on the cryptos, and you know which ones to invest in. Yeah, for Ethereum, we're long. We're going all the way up. And then let's go over XRP right quick. So you know XRP is just moving. Fundamentally, I did hear that they're throwing a lawsuit against the SEC now over something. I don't know if that was a reason why this bullish move came in, but you know I'm like Jay. You know I'm all about technicals. If I can see a buy in the technicals, then I'll go ahead and get in for the buy, and then you know I'll later find out why it is that what caused it to move like that. But based off of now, I think that's what caused it to move this high. As you can see, we're just going from 1,000 pip transition from one day to another. We did hit the 60 cents today. In the 60 cents, I could say is a strong area of sellers. If we look to the past, that's the last time price was. It went all the way down to 20 cents. But you know, if we're able to keep the momentum going, then the next transition would be 70 cents. Um, you can't really tell much on the daily chart, you know, as far as where it wants to go. But if we go down to the 4-hour chart, you know, at this point, it's just really all about market structure and how it works its way up there. But you know, so far, you know, I called the buy right around here at 37. I go to the 1-hour chart. Yep, this is where our buy was executed at about.
That you froze.
I did. We got in at 36, 36, 33 is when I put the buy limit on the group chat, and you know, ever since then we've been writing it up. Right now, we're currently at about 1,997 pips in profit. 2,000 actually. Looking at my chart right now. I mean, on the MT4. And yeah, so right now, you know, we're good. We're bullish. Um, you know, we'll just stay. I'll keep you guys updated on whether we can hit 70 or we're gonna come back down to 50. Um, but that's so far. That's everything I have from my part. I don't know if you want to go over gold, Jay.
Yeah. All right, let me
I'll
unmute
pass it on
myself.
to my boy Jay.
All right, so my boy just put something on the Telegram. I don't know if y'all can see it here on the live, but he said that the place where he buys his silver at is sold the fuck out. So that is some shit that I want to talk about. You know, I want to go over and just show you a little bit of the chat real quick where we were talking about this. Share the screen. All right, check this out, guys. Check this shit out. All right, this is the chat, guys, where we be getting down. Let me just look for that. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Where we're talking about the silver. All right, but they're trying to squeeze silver from 25 to 1,000, guys. Wall Street Bets is on some shit. They don't care. Look, here it goes. Okay, can silver be short squeezed to $1,000? $1,000, $1,000. Peter Hugg plans to short squeeze silver to never before seen prices circulated on Reddit. Peter Hugg, global trading director of Kitco News, evaluates what it would take hypothetically for this to take place. Right. So you can go ahead and check this video out. I'm not gonna go ahead and put it out right now. I just wanted to show y'all that this shit is real, guys. There's people actually trying to pump this. I should have put this on the description. I might just add it on there, edit it on there. But either way, you know. So what is gonna happen? And let me show y'all what's been going down. So my boy posted some pictures on there about his silver. He had his silver coins. I wanted to show y'all, but I'm not gonna go through the chat. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop up the chart and show y'all here on the chart. I think I opened up the wrong one. Same shit, don't matter. All right, so all right, let's go ahead and pop up silver first. So silver, they started talking about it on Fridays when I heard about it, and then they said, you know, they wanted to really pump the shit out of it, right, and take it to never before seen prices. The silver woke up like 1,000 pips just up there. Give me a quick second, guys. Let me get some vitamin THC. All right. All right. So look at this shit, guys. I'm putting this shit in the daily. It's beautiful, man. These people are not playing around. All right. So look, this is a daily chart. This doesn't even show the gap on it. Lame. Let me see if I can find one with the gap, guys. Let me see, because this is not showing it right. How MetaTrader 4 is actually showing the gap. I want y'all to see that shit. All right, forex.com. No, IDC. I think that one will show it. Okay. Nobody's showing it. Okay, well, let me just explain to you that this whole candle is not seen on MetaTrader 4. It's not even there. It just starts up here. Oh, there you go. There you go. Boom. I just had to switch to the hourly. My bad. All right, so right here in the hourly, guys, look at that. From right here, from 27 to 29. Damn, that's 2,000 pips. That's 2,000 pips, guys. 2,000 that it woke up at, you know. Damn, I have to get up for. I want to buy more. Buy. Look at that shit, man. It's on the rise. It is on the rise. But either way, okay. So to short squeeze silver all the way up there. I don't know if we're gonna reach it. I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna reach that, but either way, I mean, just taking this for the ride, guys. 2,000 pips, just opening up. Come on. And my boy's talking about they already sold out where he buys his silver. Yup. Get in, guys. Get in. Ride it to wherever the heck it goes. Get out on the divergence. Get the fuck out of here. Let's go. Make some bread. I'm excited, man. I don't know about you guys. I don't know about y'all. I don't know what y'all doing. Y'all need to be making some money. All right, so, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Boy, Robert agrees 100%. So, look at my chart just pop back up. Beautiful, man. This is my IDC chart. I hadn't even checked this one out in forever. We were in this shit since this happened all the way over here. We've been looking at this chart. But I want to show y'all another chart even better than when I was showing y'all right before this. This is where I call that shit, man. I'm a motherfucking market maker. All right, look at this shit, guys. I know I showed y'all this before, but I mean, damn, look at how it's been playing out. So this is from December, okay? This is from December when I marked this up and I said we're gonna break out of this thing because December always hits. We're gonna hit probably around this 27 level, and then we're gonna freaking drop back down. This is what I drew out, guys. This was drawn out before any of this shit was here, all right? And then beautiful freaking, come on. From right here, that divergence, are you serious? Boom. So this was drawn out, like my boy said, you know, we do technicals and then whatever happens, and that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't know this shit was gonna happen, but it's just going with what the market was already gonna do, but it's making it faster because of this, if that makes sense, okay? So it's just speeding up the process, you know, that's what I was trying to say. So right here, boom, daily. I think we could reach 34 to 36, and that's just this week. That's just like it going like what, you know, they're talking about 1,000. Like, man, I don't know, I don't really know about all that, but just everybody really squeezing it and investing, and the hype around it, the FOMO around it, guys. The next level is right freaking here. Oh, I already got my trend there, man. Just have to, boom. This is the next level where I said we're gonna mess around and consolidate at in the weekly. All right, this was drawn out. It was drawn out in December, guys. This shit was drawn out in freaking December. So once we touch here, we can come all the way back to swallow this. We can possibly do that after we touch 35. Be real careful from there. You know, you might want to just, you know, cash out on the bag, right? But we could definitely, boom, what? Like just like a weekly freaking just boom from $28 to $50. Imagine that shit, guys. Imagine if that shit happened. Damn. Let me tell you what the heck that would be. Let me go let y'all know. From 28 to 50, guys, you're looking at 21,000 pips, if I am correct. Yes, I'm fucking correct. 21,000 pips. 21,000. All right. So with a penny, that's already 2,160 or something like that, right? With a penny. You know, if you go in at 10 cents, that's $21,600. If you could manage to hit a standard and you got $5,000 to just fucking let's go, with $5,000, guys, you could hit a standard and you could possibly make up to $216,000. Is that correct, bro? Is that math correct? Damn, 216,000. That is fucking stupid. Yup. Do not sleep on these markets. Do not sleep on MetaTrader 4, man. You know how Robinhood closed these people out? MetaTrader 4 can't really do that shit. You fucking trade it on there, put a little penny. Either way, too excited, man. So that's silver for you right there. That's what everybody. Ooh, man, that's what everybody be sleeping on. They've been sleeping on silver. Man, there it goes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and check out. Oh man, let me just show y'all what my boy Robert was showing y'all on US 30, because we actually called this trade out. I posted this on the group chat whenever we agreed that it was gonna hit, and we posted this up. Look at this, guys. Come on, right here, like zero drawdown. Like that was zero fucking drawdown, bro, on US 30. Come on, guys. Boom, 350. So that's 3,500 pips smashed. All right. Boom, 11,000 pips smashed, guys. Freaking smashed. Now we're on the rise back up, and we're trying to hit somewhere around this level, like he said, 35 or 36, somewhere right here, and take it all the way to that next level at 17,000 pips, 17 to 20,000. So beautiful, man, beautiful. All right, and we're gonna end it up with gold. Gold's gonna be the last one right here. Man, too lit. Ever since this divergence that I called out, started buying, it has just been beautiful. But this right here, it broke out of this lower lows, and it started making higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. Come on. Re-entry, 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 gone. We don't even know if we're going to get this with the whole hype going on around silver. If silver rises, gold automatically is going to rise, guys. And gold was already on its way back up. So fucking excited about gold too. If we hit a short squeeze on silver, I think gold automatically could hit anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 an ounce on some. I said it. I said it. I'm not taking it back. Oh man. So this is what we got on gold. We actually started buying this already. At the opening of the daily, it opened up here, came crashing back down, just closed the gap, freaking perfect, broke out of the 5-minute trend. Entries. Man, so we're just hodling. I think this is about to make the next higher high, just as silver has came back up, and we're going for the rally, going for the rally on this all the way to 2,000 easily. And once we break the $2,000 an ounce, we're gonna go for what I have here. Let me put on the weekly. Where the heck did everything go? Can't even see it. I can't even see it, guys. But we're gonna go for from the beginning all the way to 22 to 23 an ounce. That's around 4,000 pips. And if we do something crazy, you can see a weekly candle. Just what? Just craziness. Touch and maybe wick. But just craziness up there, guys, to 21. Just a quick higher high. So we can see a crazy weekly. Boom. That's pretty much all we got. I don't know if my boy Robert wants to add anything else.
If you guys want to add any other charts, make sure you post them on the group chat. We're going to be adding a signal chat So what we're gonna call the signals.
You're still on mute. I don't know if you want to unmute yours. I'll mute mine.
Okay, guys. So all I pretty much wanted to add to this was we're gonna start giving you guys more signals to where you can keep track of. I know there's a lot going on in the group chat, and sometimes you guys don't have the opportunity to get in on the games that we get in on. So we're gonna create a different group chat where we're only gonna post signals, and only the ones who can post signals are gonna be the only ones who can post anything. But you guys will be able to see it with all the without all the noise. So everybody's gonna be automatically plugged into it. And you guys are gonna be able to keep up with the results. Week in, week out of our gains and how we were able to profit from these markets. So I hope you guys really take advantage because this is gonna be limited. After about a month or two, it's starting to become a membership. So make sure you guys, even if you could put in $50 in your MT4 or not even that, like you can buy shares, stocks because we do that as well. But make sure you guys stay tuned in for that signal because once we create it, we're gonna start, putting more um, more trades on there where you guys can profit.
Yo,
Yeah.
yeah.
So
So,
like
like
my
my
boy
boy
said,
said, can you?
sounds
Crazy.
crazy. So like my boy Robert said, there's so much value being added every single day, man. I be getting on the chat. I'm like, damn, okay. And I appreciate every single member that's on there because they be throwing in some nuggets too. We're getting some real fire people in there, and Oasis Trading Club, man, it's becoming not just a vision anymore. It's reality. So we are gonna start, like he said, opening the signal chat again so that we could stay consistent on the signals and we can stay consistent on actually showing the portfolio behind the signals and what it takes to be profitable in risk management. So, I mean, a little $250 account, $100 account, and just start off and risk 2% per trade and show y'all, what happens in 5, 6 months after doing this. So I'm excited, guys. You know what I'm saying? For the next couple months, I really want to show y'all what's capable with the signals. Like he said, I'm just thinking about it. Man, in the next 6 months, a lot of big things are gonna happen here with Oasis, with these freaking stocks, with forex, with crypto. And whoever's not in the wave right now is gonna get in the wave sooner or later. So that's what's up, everybody that's watching this, everybody that's been watching the podcast, all those 20 people that watch it like every single time. Appreciate it, and hope you're getting some nuggets out of this. So that's pretty much all we got. We'll see y'all next time. Oasis Trading Club. We're out ski. Oh, well, before we dip, I don't know, Sam, Howard, Big Papa Toe. Anybody got any questions or anything before we dip out?
No, right now.
Gucci. I think everybody's good. All right, good shit. Well, there you have it, man. Go back, check out the math behind it. And from Sam, when you say stocks, do you do it on MetaTrader 4 as well? Yeah, bro, you could do it on MetaTrader 4, like KOT, where the one I have, it offers a couple of them. And you just have to go to where it says quotes. You go to the plus sign, and then you go down where it says, what it would be here, U.S. shares. So on their U.S. shares, you get Apple, Amazon, Boeing, Bank of America, Chevron, Facebook. They got a bunch of them. Tesla. Um, I don't see AMC or one of those here. Let me look it up. Nah, they don't carry AMC. But I'm sure there's brokers that do. Just look for one that actually carries it under MetaTrader 4, and you could trade it under leverage. So Um, you know what I mean? It's way crazier. I'm pretty sure that it's like US 30, bro. Because on US 30, you go in and you're automatically negative like 30 pips if you're lucky. And then drawdown, you're looking at drawing down 100, 300 pips. You know, so I'm pretty sure that the stocks move very similar to that. Very crazy. So I mean, but just holding it, like we said, if you put in, like I bought it on Cash App and AMC, let's say you buy 300, for every 300, if I'm correct, you could make about $4,000 if it hits $150 a share. All right. But even if it just goes up to the last higher high to around $40, it's at 13 right now if you buy it right now. And if you buy it right now at 13 and it goes up to like 40, that's like four times your money already. So I mean, even if you put 100, it'll become 400. If you put 1,000, it'll become 4,000. Just hitting the last higher high. So I mean, you know, you could just do that, or of course, if you leverage trade it, shit, 1,000 could become freaking out a lot, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000, some crazy shit. But you're actually risking your bread, like you know, way more than buying the stock, if that makes sense. But yeah, any other questions? We good to go. Let me know.
No, yeah, cause I asked that cause on my MetaTrader on my phone, I can open all those stocks, but on my computer I can't. I don't know. It's not popping up. Even like the USD JPY is not popping up.
On your computer?
Yeah, it's being weird.
On your trading view or on your MetaTrader 4 on the computer?
On my MetaTrader 4 on the computer.
You should just be able to add it on there, bro. And I don't know, it should come out. But that's why I stopped using MetaTrader 4 también. I feel like they just be hoeing, bro. They be looking at my charts and they be racing my shit and you know, too much. Trading view, it actually stays on here more consistent and is, I don't know, it's a little bit better. So yeah, if anything, open up a trading view account. It's free.
Alright, I'll probably end up doing that.
Yeah, whenever you open up the trading view account, right, ah shit, right here on this one right here on top, if you click
Yeah.
this watch list, this is where you could add all your pairs. So you could add all the ones you want to watch. You just click the plus sign, you look up AMC, whatever you want, and it'll have everything on here. And then you could just pick whatever broker you want to see AMC under. And you know, so yeah, it's way better, bro.
No, already. Yeah, cause I don't know, this MetaTrader 4 been acting funny. But even, well, I mean, yeah, I got my own broker anyways. I was gonna say it's like MetaTrader 4. You just log into your account, basically, right?
Yeah, yeah, you got to open up a broker account and then you log in that broker number under the MetaTrader 4. Like I got Traders Way, I got KOT Forex.
Yeah, right now I'm with Prosperity FX or something like that for it.
Yeah, yeah, they got a bunch. I recommend KOT. KOT is pretty freaking chilling.
Alright, alright.
Already, bro. Pues if that's it, ahí estamos. If anything else, just let me know. Send me a telegram.
Yeah, I got you.
Brody, man, we're out.